Okay, so just been brought in here at Biggleswade by 700,038, I believe, and I think this will probably be one of the last stops of the day, if not the last. But obviously Biggleswade, a great spot. It's a great station, a great filming spot as well, not to mention. So let's get into this. Okay, so got a pair of whole trains plus 802, and there's 802 304 in the rear of that, and then also passing by on the same platform will be, there's a two-tone LNER Zoomer. Oh, it's another whole train 802. Didn't get the numbers on that one, but there was two class 802s there. There was a pair of them, and then there's this one here. And another two-tone. I think there's a level crossing down there, so you will probably hear quite a few horns in this video. Okay, so the next train to come trundling down is going to be a LNER Zoomer. Bound for London King's Cross. Okay, so the next train to pass by is going to be a LNER Zoomer. Working an LNER service from London King's Cross to Edinburgh Waverley. The next train to pass by is going to be a LNER Class 800 Zoomer from London King's Cross to Edinburgh Waverley. Okay, so the next train to pull in here will be 700,112. Working a service, Thameslink service from Peterborough to Horsham. And there's another two-tone down there from an LNER Zoomer. Seven 112. That was 801 223, and there's 700 with a tone. 700,113. Next train to pull in. 700 117 with a little toot there. Thank you very much. 700 117. Another tone. Okay, so we got a two-tone from a class 180. A Grand Central class 180 working a service to Sunderland.